was, what is the highest waterfall in the world? And the answer is Angel Waterfall in Venezuela. It's exciting.
I did know this one.
Angel Falls.
You did?
I did.
Yeah.
I knew it.
I thought it was, but I wasn't 100% sure.
Same. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same.
Even the area of Venezuela where the waterfall is, I cannot remember the name of the structures right now, but it's this interesting geologic area where there are all these gigantic, like essentially towers of rock, where the landscape is eroded and left these big, huge columns of rock. I mean, almost mountain in size, big mesas of rock, and a lot of them. And what I've heard is that each of this is a very humid area. There's lots of vegetation, and each of the mesa tops of each of these different pillars or columns has a somewhat unique ecosystem. They're little ecological islands.
Oh, cool.
Because over time, right, they've been isolated, and certain organisms that have been held on those areas have started to differentiate themselves from similar organisms on other areas. And so, but that's one of the reasons that the waterfall is so tall, is that it falls off one of these gigantic mountain-like structures. I'll have to look up what they're called. I can't remember.
Yeah. And
go ahead.
Oh, sorry. Just to throw out there, since we did say it's the tallest, it's actually 807 meters tall.
And to give you some perspective on that, 15 times as high as Niagara Falls.
Wow.
15 times.
That's huge. And actually, if you're not good with meters, since we're in America and we
Tend
stick
not
with
to
the
be,
feet,
right?
that is over 2,600 and almost 50 feet. So that's a little bit over, almost exactly half a mile.
And it's I'm looking right here. It looks like the plunge is 2,600 feet, which is the drop.
Okay.
But the full height of the waterfall, if you include the run beforehand, is 3,212 feet.
Wow.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it's almost
gosh.
1,000 meters.
Enormous.
Pretty wild.
Wow. The other is you can see or feel the vapors, or not the vapors, sorry, droplets of water that kind of splash out of the waterfall. You can feel them from a mile away.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, huge. So
Yeah.
pretty cool. All right. Did you guys know anything else? Anything to add
Well,
about
yes,
it?
I think they're called tepuis, the big, tall, mountain-like structures. I'm trying to.
Tepuis.
Tepuis. It's definitely a Spanish word and probably based on. Anyways, not important.
Oh, you should look it up.